What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Victor Van Dort from The Corpse Bride. Let's begin today's lesson. In the center of the page, draw two large circles for the eyes. Now I want to start with the one on the left. Start from the very top, go all the way around towards the bottom of the eye, and then bend that back up towards the top. Now I leave a gap in between the eyes and draw that same size circle on the right. So start by lining up the top, bring that down towards the bottom, and then back up. Now in the center of each eye, I'm going to draw a small black dot for the pupils. Now to come in towards the center, come down and draw a curve for the nose. We're going to go up and then back down. Let's add two small black dots in the center for the nostrils. Now I want to curve the brow coming in towards the edge of the nose, coming down towards the bottom. So we'll start from the outside of the left eye, curve this up, go all the way in, and come all the way down towards the left side of the nose, move over towards the right, going up, rounding this out, and then coming down towards the side of the right eye. Let's add a fold underneath the eyes, down and out. Let's go back to the nose, come all the way down, and add a curve for the mouth. Let's go back up to the top and draw in the eyebrows. We're going to start on the left, bend this in. I'm just going to curl that up on the inside, line this up on the right. We're just going to mirror this over, going the opposite direction. Now you want to add some thickness to the eyebrow. Starting from the top, just follow that same curve and taper down towards a point on the outside. Let's fill the inside of the eyebrows in black. Now I'm going to move out to the side and draw the lower half of the head. From the outside of the left eye, step out, curve this down, across the cheek. Now we want to pull this in towards the center, just underneath the mouth, towards the chin. So round out the chin, go out, then bend that up towards the right. Let's go back to the left side, just going to curve the hairline, going up above the eyebrows, and then bring that back down on the right side. Now I'm going to place the ears along the side of the head. Let's start on the left. Going up, come around, and then in. And we just want to line up the top on the right side. Let's add those folds inside the ear. Starting on the left, going up and then out. Go back to the inside and add a hook. Now I want to layer the hair working our way from the ears all the way up towards the top. Now the left side is going to overlap the right. So let's start on top of the left ear, going out, and we'll bend that in. Now along the top of that curve, we go up, come around, and then in. Let's add one more. From the top, going up, go all the way across, and then down on the right side of the head. On the right side, I want to separate the top curves. So we're going to start up here, we're going to go up, go across, and then down, and just pull that back in. Now we're going to do the same thing we did on the left, starting from the top of the ear, and go around, and then bend that in. Now in between, I'm just going to close this off with another curve. Let's add some texture coming out from the hairline. We're going to step over, add these little curves, just working our way over towards the side of the head. Let's add a few on the right side. Let's add some hair underneath the ears, coming down and back in towards the head. Now we're going to wrap that scarf around the neck. Starting from the side, draw two straight lines coming down, and we'll just round out the bottom. From the base of the scarf, angle the shoulders, coming down and out towards the side. From the base of the neck, curve the collar, going around and then back in towards the center. And then from the middle, draw a straight line coming down. Let's add in the jacket collar. From the side, go straight out, then it's down and then in towards the middle. And we'll draw the top half of the collar. Angle this up, and it's up and in towards the top of the shoulders. Now on either side, we're just going to draw the bottom of the scarf going out and then down. Let's go back underneath the collar, curve the body, coming down and in towards the hips. Bend this out and then down towards the bottom of the jacket. Curve this in and up towards the bottom of that center line. Now on the right side of that center line, we're going to draw two black dots, one on top and one on bottom for the buttons. Now we're going to go back to the center, draw a straight line going across, and then in the middle, draw a straight line coming down, just separating the legs, coming down towards the heel. Let's round out the bottom of the feet. Let's start with the left side, coming down and up. Let's go back to the left side, we curve the top of the foot, going up, and then down, aiming towards the heel. I'm just going to bend that back up towards the inside of the leg. Let's go back up underneath the jacket. Just going to bend the leg, coming down and then in towards the ankles. And we'll separate the bottom of the feet. So taking this curve, stepping up, and just tracing it across. Now let's move back up and draw on the arms. We're going to start underneath the collar, draw a straight angle line coming down and out towards the wrist on both sides. From the wrist, draw a small half circle for the thumb. Close off the end with a bracket. Now I want to add 3 fingers on either side, starting from the bottom of the thumb, come down and up around the bracket, step down, add the second finger, and then the third finger coming in towards the outside of the wrist. Let's close off the wrist with a curve. Now let's close off the outside of the arm, starting from the shoulder, draw that same angled line coming down towards the wrist. And we'll separate the cuff. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Victor Van Dort from The Corpse Bride. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon. What's up everyone, and welcome to our club memberships. Are you ready to take your art skills to the next level? Well, I've got something special just for you. Introducing our channel membership, starting at only $1 per month. For less than the price of a cup of coffee, you'll get exclusive access to a world of bonus features and perks that will enhance your journey with me. As a member, you'll be treated to brand new weekly tutorials that are available only to our valued members. Want to learn the latest techniques and dive deeper into the topics I cover? This is your chance. You'll also gain access to our member-only community feed where you can connect with fellow members, share your progress, and participate in exclusive polls. Your voice matters, and I want to hear from you. And let's talk about the perks. You'll receive a set of custom chat emojis to use during our live streams and premieres, adding a personal touch to your interactions with me. Plus, you'll proudly showcase your support with special member badges that highlight your dedication. As a member, you'll get access to future perks I roll out. I'm constantly working behind the scenes to bring you even more exclusive content, surprises, and experiences. So join our channel membership today and become a part of our exclusive community. For just $1 per month, you'll unlock a world of premium content, engagement, and fun. Click that join button now and let's embark on this exciting journey together.